Almost everyone believes that toggling on a virtual private network renders them completely invisible online. However, cybersecurity researchers and federal investigation agencies view the digital landscape very differently. There are three publicly accessible intelligence tools utilized by law enforcement experts to extract your real internet protocol address. Whatever you operate behind a proxy or the onion router, these methods bypass defenses in under 5 minutes flat. This production serves strictly for defensive, privacy awareness, and self-auditing educational purposes only. Tool number 1 features the MX Toolbox email header analysis system for tracking senders. Every electronic mail dispatched contains an embedded hidden chain of server routing, timestamps, and addresses. Inside this header sequence lies the X originating IP field exposing your true location. Investigation agents extract raw email, source code, and input it directly into the analyzer. The system passes headers in seconds, geolocating every server hop across the network chain. Tool number 2 is Grabify, which remains the primary link tracking utility for investigators. This platform converts standard destination links into sophisticated telemetry logging short URLs dynamically. The exact moment a target clicks the link, Grabify captures their real IP address. It logs system battery percentage, screen resolution, and incognito status in real time. The Smart Logger database has recorded over 421 million distinct entries. Tool number 3 is Browser Leaks, which isolates critical WebRTC network vulnerabilities. WebRTC technology facilitates peer-to-peer video calling and direct data streaming capabilities natively. However, it mandates real IP identification by passing standard encrypted virtual private network tunnels. Visiting the site exposes whatever your real network address leaked through open tabs. Forensic investigators utilize background WebRTC verification scripts to identify anonymous target instantly. Tool number 4 is EXIF tool, designed for extracting metadata from images and documents. Digital photographs store precise GPS coordinates and camera hardware information silently inside files. Federal analysts extract this metadata to verify actual physical locations during investigations. The software identifies organization names, author tags, and operating environment details instantly. Always strip embedded metadata before distributing sensitive files across public channels. Tool number 5 is Wireshark, representing the standard deep packet inspection in network analyzer. It captures raw data packets transmitting across local network interfaces in real time. Should an encrypted tunnel disconnected momentarily, Wireshark logs to expose originating address immediately. It is routinely deployed in corporate security monitoring and government cyber forensics. It reveals protocol patterns and server destination routes with absolute clarity. Tool number 7 features IP Info, which provides comprehensive IP intelligence database lookups. Inputting any address reveals city-level geolocation, carriers details, and autonomous system numbers. Its advanced detection algorithm distinguishes commercial virtual networks from residential connections. Once an exec server is identified, investigators issue legal subpoena requests for logs. The free tier processes 50,000 queries monthly for threat researchers. Tool number 7 is security trials, housing massive historical domain name system archives. It tracks infrastructure adjustments and hosting IP changes over multiple years. If a target marks their server behind Cloudflare security trial reveals the original IP. Tool number 8 is Shodan, which continuously scans every internet connected hardware device. It indexes webcams, routers, and open port 22 management channel globally. These add intelligence tools demonstrate that true privacy requires continuous cyber hygiene vigilance. Never click unverified links and regularly test your browsers for active data leaks. In our next episode, we will analyze advanced dark web server defense architecture. For more elite technical insights, subscribe to AI Revolution, press the bell icon, like and share now. Join the frontier of AI Revolution.